Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you financial mistakes I've made in the last 10 years. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Mistake 1. Not having an emergency fund. No one plans for emergencies, however they happen. Which is why it's important to plot for unplanned occasions with an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a pool of cash you could get entry to while existence throws you a curveball. Like the new water device springing a leak, a task loss you didn't see coming, or a clinical invoice you hadn't anticipated. And all and sundry can construct one. First, work out your month-to-month earnings and charges. A price range planner can help. Then set a purpose quantity on your fund, designed to cowl your charges if an emergency approach you couldn't work. Whether it's 3, 6 or 1 year of earnings, the important thing element is to get started, due to the fact having a few finances in a disaster is higher than having none. Mistake 2. Spending greater than you earn. Money in, cash out. That's the same old flow. But whilst your spending exceeds your earnings, nicely it's clean to look the flow-on effect. Which is why it's critical to nut out a price range. Unlike plenty of factors in existence, just like the 80-20th rule a nutritionist would possibly supply you, i.e. 80% of the great things and 20% treats, there's a system to getting the stability proper. In finance, a great rule of thumb is the 50-30-20 rule. Mistake 3. Having no goals. Like top fitness, domestic possession, or global travel, it's tough to get something you need in case you don't set the purpose. Small however common spending on such things as each day coffees, or subscriptions you're now no longer the use of can fritter your financial savings away. Setting an intention offers you something to shoot for, and an information of ways a lot it'll take to get there. But saving for a purpose takes time. So whether or not you need to begin an enterprise or a family, climb the assets or profession ladder, plan a wedding or an remote places trip, the earlier you start, the larger your dream can be. Mistake 4. Having no structures in place. Sending all of your pay into one account and doing all of your spending from there's like ingesting soup directly from the pot. How do you recognize if there'll be sufficient left for absolutely everyone else that wishes a feed? A proper answer is to fill every plate first. Same is going on your cash. Paying yourself first is a method that's turning into more and more famous in cash circles as it works. It essentially includes mechanically routing a part of your paycheck for your financial savings as quickly because it comes in. So thanks for watching. And if you are new, please make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications just so every time I upload you won't miss anything.